It's 8:30 in the morning, and I look like it's 8:30 in the morning. Today we are doing a little mermaid photo shoot. I did it for the first time about 2 or 3 weeks ago, but I've plussed my costume a little bit since then. Got a new top. It's a better purple. I'm excited about it. You are gonna follow me today. If you were here for the Star Wars video, you kind of know the drill. A muffin. After I eat, I'm on to repainting my nails. This is my first coat, very light pink, and my second coat is blue sparkles. I'm going to show you the glitter that I put on some of the little girls. Eco-friendly glitter. It comes in a little glass jar, it's biodegradable, it's safe for fish, and it's these same like colors, it's these blues and stuff. So this is my mermaid glitter, which sticks to my finger scales because I'm a mermaid. I have a very small little sewing project. Avery is dressed as Prince Eric, and he has this kind of piratey shirt that has these tassels on it, and one of them just came off in the wash. It just popped right off. So, I'm gonna fix that. Is that not the cutest thing you've seen? So, if you saw the if you saw the Star Wars video, you will have seen Hope, who is our wonderful photographer. And today you will also see Brooke, who is the awesome lady that did the bag. She does all these cool t-shirts and all this great stuff. I bet they'll have awesome t-shirts on today. She's also the magical woman who gets lunch for us while we're there, which really makes me like her because I am food motivated. Avery's awake. He hopped in the shower because he's going to be very princely today, so he's to be perfectly clean shaven. I'm going to put on, not pajama pants, I'm probably still going to wear this top because it's Ariel. I'm going to go get ready to be a princess. If you watched my last mermaid video, I did a time lapse of my makeup, but I made 2 little changes. One thing I did is I added kind of a purple shadow up there, and then I have on very dark black eyeliner because my original plan for Ariel is that I want to be able to do birthday parties where I swim in the costume and in the makeup. So I did my makeup with that in mind, but then when I saw the pictures, my eye makeup is washed out because it was very, very light pinks and I wasn't wearing eyeliner and I don't wear false lashes. So for this one, I'm kind of boosting up the eyeliner so I don't feel pressured to wear false lashes because I don't want to do it. It is 11:30 and we're gonna head out. And I got my hair braided. Right now it's in pigtails because I felt like it. Later it'll get pinned in place and there'll be a wig cap and all that stuff. That's the glitter I mentioned earlier, and it's eco-friendly. It comes in this nice little glass bottle. Look at Avery. He's not in the shower anymore. Look at the stuff in the back. We got this big box with a hole in it. We got crate over there. You can see my head. Right there. Yeah, it's not my actual head. But how can you be sure? So we are here at the studio, and we have this beautiful table of treats. Look, those are my friends. Brooke is hiding, but she's here. Also, look, there's lanterns. Woo, and balloons. We had lunch, there was food. Hope's really nice, and she got me Junior mints. I'm gonna get dressed now. It's 3 o'clock now, and we have met but 5 little girls. One of the lights exploded. That's the light. That's where the girl with no legs sits. This can't run for safety.
I'm not proud of the way I reacted.
Yeah, the mermaid hit the ground hard in fear.
It doesn't smell too great in here right now, but we're all alive.
It smells like exploded light bulb.
Yes, it does.
Hi, Sebastian.
Hello.
We're all done. We have to get out of our costumes so that we can head home. How many kids did we see today?
12 kids?
I think so.
Sounds about right.
Yeah. See you when I get home or when I change or something. Do you want to say bye, Sebastian?
No.
No. My eyes look really blue.
Yeah, your makeup is awesome.
I did a good job. We are back in the car and we're headed home. So you can tell all the stuff's not back there because I get to do this again in 2 weeks. So everything got to stay at the photo studio.
And we get to have our living room back for 2 weeks.
It's been living in our living room. We had a freak thunderstorm that lasted like 2 minutes because we live in Georgia. And now there's a rainbow. I will bring you on other adventures with me. You could like this video. That would be nifty. You could subscribe because I promise I'm interesting.